Today it's shopping day. We will start with the bobe market and let's see what's next. The great thing about those buses that you see all around Bangkok, that they have, or most of them are free. So learn how to use them. You will save a lot of money. And actually you have the bobe street market and you have the bobe tower that's over there somewhere. So let's go for a walk. Prince Palace Hotel is here as well, so it's maybe easy for you to find. So let's go inside. Really, you can walk here all day. It's endless. We came to this roof bar here with all the good places are ticked already. So we're going to go downstairs in the restaurant. We're going to eat something. There's also a view, so let's go there. It's also full, so we are moving. These boats are really so full. It is 15 baht, but they're always full. But it's a great way of transportation. We ended up in the MBK and I'm looking around in all the camera shops and there's no one who can put me this kind of tapes into digital. I asked it in a couple of shops in Europe, was very easy to find, but it was a little bit pricey. But here nobody can do it. I have to go to Pantip Plaza around there, so let's go check that out.